Hey guys, I'm going to make... Hey guys, it's Grayson and Gracie here. I'm going to make slime. You're going to need glue and shaving cream, or we don't have to use shaving cream. We can use, water. And you also need borax and water. You can also use water, only you doing something. Say first you need glue. See, you need glue. Wait, why you need it? Alright, here, pour the shaving cream. You need to pour shaving cream.
Hi guys, it's Angel Grace here.
But you can't go in my video.
Alright, is that all you want to use? What color do you want to do?
And you can also use yellow.
You want to do yellow?
Yeah.
Here, I'll help you do so you can use for coloring or paint.
Or full coloring or paint. It seems going good out. But you want to see it? See? But it's not that expensive. And then you need to use the borax. I got it, Grace. That's my sister. More borax? I need more borax.
I just made a video a few seconds ago. I made this slime.
I need more.
I just want to let you know that my brother's going to be making some videos with me too, so.
I need some more, Gracie.
I'll get you some more mix.
No, like more of this.
All I need to do is mix. Oh, here.
And today I think my slime is turning out good.
Wait, let me help you.
But it's not that way, but I'm changing. So,
Start playing with it.
okay.
Beat it.
I have to start to play.
It gets less sticky when you play with it. So just, okay. Oh, it's really sticky. Oh, okay. Yeah, I need some more borax.
But yeah, it's really like not that good, but it's... I guess my time changed, I guess. But, oh. Here is my slime.
Here, let me get all the slime off me.
Uh.
All right, everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.